Good morning, everyone. Sri Krishna Swami College for Women welcomes you all for the third annual Alumni Meet 2021. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. It is often during the difficult times that spark great periods of creativity. And thus, we are here on a virtual dais to share our thoughts and ideas with the most valuable asset of any college, the alumni. But before we begin, we shall invoke the presence of Goddess with the Tamil Thai Valthu. As a symbolic representation of dispelling the darkness, let us now have the lighting of the lamp. I now request Ms. Bindu A. Baby of BCom General Department to welcome the gathering.
I think the success of any institution can be measured by the contribution the alumni make to our nation, said the former US President John F. Kennedy. I take privilege to welcome our chairman, Thiru M.A.K. Balakrishnan, the directors and trustees, Thiru K.B.K. Rajmohan, Thiru K.B. Arun, and Thiru K.B. Krishnanand. Dean Dr. R. Revati and Principal Dr. R. Geeta Rani. It is indeed my great pleasure to welcome among us the alumni of this institution. Welcome you all.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request the Dean, Dr. R. Revati, to address the gathering.
Good morning and a very hearty welcome to one and all for the third Alumni Meet 2021. We have been fortunate enough to see everyone in person for the past 2 years, but due to the pandemic situation, our meeting has to be on virtual platform. However, I'm sure the happiness will be the same for us and for you people. Our joy knows no bounds when you migrate like the birds which come for their sanctuary. You people scale great heights, but what we expect from you is always be in touch with us. We'll be happy when we come to know about your achievements. A mother will expect nothing from her daughters except love, but we expect your guidance for your juniors, and your exposure will be of immense value to them. So, looking forward to meeting you all every year with an assurance to provide you abundant love, support and solace. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. A trip to nostalgia now and then is good for the spirit, and today we have our alumni reminiscing their nostalgic moments. I now call upon the alumni to share their thoughts and ideas.
Hi all. So this is Chandrakala and alumni of Sri Krishna Swami College for Women. And I first of all thank the all faculty members and the principal madam who gave me this wonderful opportunity to share my experience with you all. So by starting, I can say this college is the best place to learn punctuality and discipline, where these two characteristics plays a major role in our life. Apart from academic, apart from a job or anything, it plays a major role. So I tag it with an example that a plain stone will become a beautiful masterpiece only when a sculptor break it into pieces, right? Likewise, our college is having a tough rules, but only by then we can become a masterpiece. So that is what our college is doing, and that is a great thing that Krishna Swami has done. And I am proud that I am part of Sri Krishna Swami and alumni of Sri Krishna Swami, whatever it is. So I did my UG, that is BCom, and my PG MA HRM course. So in UG, we got a lot of exposure, and in the part of that, we got an industrial visit to ICF factory, that is internal coach factory, a part of Southern Railway. And I've chosen MAHR course because it has 4 internship in 4 different organization. So that will be a great experience. Before working itself, we have lot of internship experience that will be an added advantage. And I'm quite surprised because apart from these 4 internship, we also have weekly guest lecture. That will be a greatest advantage because HR professional will be coming and giving you inputs regarding the actual happening of what industrial practices is, and that will be a best thing to happen. And that's inspired me, and so now I'm working as an HR recruiter in Tata Consultancy Services. So I wish you all the best for your great future. Thank you.
I'm Hemlata, completed my MCom in Sri Krishna Swami College. I'm very happy to be part of this alumni meet of Krishna Swami College. At this moment, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Principal Ma'am, Dean Ma'am, and management, and all my teachers for bringing out my talent, hidden talent, and for motivating me to take part in seminars and other activities. And thanks for opportunity to give thanks to this college and management, and best wishes to my junior students. Thank you.
My heartfelt gratitude to one and all presented in this virtual dais. Myself as Nagashri from BCom Corporate Secretaryship 2018 passed out. Before entering to Sri Krishna Swami College, I had no idea about my future, but when I left, I got strong determination and further perseverance in my life. This is the best college ever, and every moment is cherishing till now. I would like to thank all my teachers for their love, support and care. Especially, they not only taught technical knowledge, but also they gave a good behavioral change in ourselves. I would like to thank my teachers, Sabita ma'am, Rupa ma'am and Anita ma'am, and also my Tamil teachers, Sala ma'am, Kaveri ma'am and Chandrika ma'am, and I have huge respect on them. Thank you for all the staff members and committee for this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Good morning. Firstly, let me introduce myself. I am Kirtipriya of BCom Computer Application Department. Being as a student at Sri Krishna Swami College for Women made me to gain more knowledge and develop my skill. I took the responsibility as a secretary on the year 2019 to 2020, which is on my final year. Being as a secretary, I learned more disciplines from our ma'ams, and I too developed my leadership skills, and I got placed in a Sutherland company which was selected by a campus interview. There are 3 levels of interview where each and every interview level were teachered and guided by my staff members, and made myself a confidence to speak boldly on the interviewers. I sincerely thank my department ma'ams and other ma'am who guided me and showed me the right path to develop myself in my career. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, dears. Now, before moving on, we'll see a glimpse of the 2019-20 activities. What a fantastic year it was. It has definitely kindled our longing to be together. Currently, it has become impossible for us to be together. But we have learned to make the best of the worst situation, and we have our alumni today to share their thoughts and experiences. Over to the alumni.
Hello everyone, my name is Rensi Shalini. I'm from the Maths department. I'm currently doing my masters. My journey in this college of these 3 years was really splendid. The atmosphere, the environment created by the staff, the administrators, and the students were prepared me to move ahead in this real world. In addition to the subject knowledge, the life skills and the communication skills that I gained from a college made me a bold, and it has made me to face all the difficulties with a clear mind. And also the platform which they gave to participate in all college competitions conducted in a college, and also other intercollegiates and the other college competitions made me a girl with self-confidence and self-esteem. It has also this college has given me friends for life. And last but not least, I thank everyone for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing fine. So I was informed that our college is conducting an alumni meet this year, and I'm so happy that I got a chance to share my thoughts. So it's been quite a long time since I've graduated from Sri Krishna Swami College, and even to this day I really miss my college. And more than I miss my college, I would rather say I miss my teachers. Because when I got into Sri Krishna Swami College, I was completely naive. I had no idea I was how to behave or anything. I was just a kid, literally. So it was in this college that I was able to learn a lot of things. It's not just the subject or not just the syllabus, but I was able to learn a lot of things that helped me in my life. So when I stepped out, I was able to manage myself. I was able to take care of myself. I was confident, and I am who I am today only because of my teachers, I would say, because I can swear by it. My teachers have helped me tremendously over the time. And I was a person who always had a fear to talk. I love talking, but I always had the fear of how people might judge me, but my teachers always trusted me. So that feel when a person trusts you is amazing. So I got that. So my teachers have always pushed me to try something new, and it has helped me tremendously in my life. So I cannot thank them enough, and I really miss seeing them today, because every alumni meet I make sure I go to college only to see my teachers. But this time it did not happen due to this corona situation. But I'm so happy that I got an opportunity to share my thoughts. So I hope you guys are safe once again. So take care of yourself, and yes, be safe. Bye.
Hello all, I am Ranganagi, studied BCom A&F in 2016 to 2019 batch, and I am also pursuing MCom in the same college. For a successful career, every students need knowledge, academics, social skills, technical skills, and career opportunity. To get all this benefit, our college is the best. We have many facilities in our college like air conditioned auditorium, cafeteria, good placements, and career guidance programs, which impressed me a lot. Our department teachers are best for me. They are friendly and kind enough and unique in their teaching. Every Saturday we students would take part in Saturday forum, where all students participate and express their talents. This was an exclusive initiative by the Department of BCom Accounting and Finance. Even this pandemic situation, many programs were conducted for keeping us associated with the department. In our college, They organize a sports meet, Vaibhavam, guest lectures, workshop, educational trip, etc. These programs molded me into a perfect human. So I feel proud to be associated with one of the best department and to be a Krishna Swamian student.
Hi all, this is Sri Soundarya Kamakshi. I completed my graduation in BCA from Sri Krishna Swami College for Women in the year 2020. I am very much fortunate to get supportive professors who have always encouraged me to get excel in my academics and made me to think out of the box. These 3 years will always remain precious for me, and I really made good friends here. I would like to thank my professors once again for clarifying all my doubts and queries every time. I fetched a central government job and I have been posted in Chennai. Thank you once again to my dean, principal, HOD and all my professors for their continuous trust on me and for all the valuable knowledge they have provided to me. Thank you.
My name is G. Monisha from the Department of Mathematics, the batch 2017 to 2020. My sincere thanks to the Department of Mathematics, the management and the institution who guided me throughout all the 3 years. Then the faculties were very supportive and encouraged students in academics and also to participate in cultural activities, sports, etc. Then it's a place of knowledge and bliss. Then I feel really blessed, grateful, thankful for having graduated from Sri Krishna Swami College for Women, and I would like to thank all the staffs and the professors who gave me the constant support and motivation which they gave to us, and as a result of all these, I have secured 95.5% in my first semester of master's graduation. Finally, I would like to thank Sri Krishna Swami College for Women who have helped me to realize my dreams and to achieve my goals. Thank you.
Hi to everyone. First of all, I introduce myself. I'm Surya. I'm 2018 passed out student from Computer Science Department. First of all, I thank to the management and the staffs for organizing this alumni meet. I'm very glad to participate in this event. Well, now I am currently working in an IFX technology as a senior process associate since last 2.5 years. On this day, I'm very thankful to the management and the staffs for mold me to this stage and mold me very strong. Well, thanks for this opportunity.
Thank you, dear alumni. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. Before moving on, we shall now see a classical dance performance by Miss T. Nandini of 2nd BSc Maths.
Takatare kukuntana kita takadhi Swagatam Krishna Sharanagatam Krishna Swagatam Krishna Sharanagatam Krishna Madhura Puri Sarana Mriduvadana Madhusudana Iha Swagatam Krishna Sharanagatam Krishna मुष्टिकासूर मल्ल मल्ल विशारद मधुसूदना मुष्टिकासूर चानूर मल्ल मल्ल विशारद कुवलय पीठ मर्दन कलिंग नर्तन गोकुल रक्षण सकल
Thank you, Nandini. That was an enchanting performance. Now, we shall have a few more alumni to share their thoughts.
Hey guys, this is Pooja Shri. How are you all? And I think you all are great, healthy, and happy, and I'm great here. And this is the first alumni meeting for a batch in a digital way. I actually wanted to meet you all in person, but the situation is not favorable. Doesn't matter. I think this is a great platform to all to get together. And I actually thought it will take some 4 to 5 years to come back to our college and attend this alumni meeting, but it happened very soon that we can get our degrees in our hands. I think this is the best moment, I would say, in this corona time. And my experience with the college is my first day to college. When I just entered it, I just got my first bench as usual for 3 years. I was so silent and polite. I know you can't believe it, but the true fact was that only. I started to observe a lot of people around me, huge set of peoples, observe them, like how they present themselves, their gestures, their attitude, the way they speak. That made me to learn certain things from them, and I adapted it into myself. And this is Pooja right now. Complete changeover. And thank all my teachers giving me a lot of chances and making me recognize myself, who am I and what am I capable of. And thank you, ma'am. And I have my own favorites, and I still have contacts with them. Any good things, any doubts, they actually clarify it with love and care, and they actually give additional informations. And friends, my classmates, guys, we have lot of memories in our classrooms, and we had enjoying moments, and we actually irritated our teachers a lot. I feel so sorry and pity for you, ma'am. We actually irritated you a lot, and you gave lot of lectures for us regarding the disciplines. Ma'am, don't worry. Maybe that is very, very touching for us, and you might felt very bad, but now it's a very beautiful memories, I guess. And we have created benchmarks, ma'am. Just don't worry. For the next batch, you can handle anything because you have gained a lot of experience from us. And thanks a lot, ma'am. And guys, enjoy your life. Have a beautiful life. And any good occasions, share with us. We all will come together and enjoy the moments. And love you guys. Have a great day.
Hi, this is Pavitra Dharman, BBA 2020. I'm placement secretary for the year 2019 and 2020. I'd like to go through about things that we had in our college for the year 2019 and 2020 in the placement cell as well as in the BBA section. We had primarily MPS, that is Mahendra Pride School, who was taking sessions and made placements for many MNCs, as well as they helped in building our communications. Then came many companies that were hiring for the current UG graduates as well as for the UG pursuing students who are going to get graduated in the year 2020. We also had so many extracurricular activities as well as the co-curricular sessions on placement, which was conducted by our placement cell for each and every department in their the communication development, as well as how they have to go through the interviews, then how they can prepare themselves to attend an interview either inside or outside the college premises. Then we had a great support from our department as well as all the departments in the conduction of placement related sessions as well as placement from various companies, for example, Alsec, then for Google Pay. We have so many students who got placed in various companies Alsec, HDFC banking, background works, etc. And then also we have so many other placements which are still going on for the year 2020 and 2021. Hope the placement cell goes on and rocks the same way. And that's it from my side.
Good day, everyone. My name is Niveda. I really feel honored and proud to introduce myself as an SKCW alumni and SKCW current staff member. I have a lot of memories with this college. The college has always provided me with an encouraging and a supportive environment. I want to thank my staff members. Because of them, my dream of becoming a professor came into reality. They have always supported and guided and motivated me. I really want to thank them. They are the reason why I'm here today. And I really thank you for giving me this opportunity to express my gratitude towards my staff members and the college. Thank you once again.
Hello everyone, I am Deepa Dashni and I am from the batch 2017 to 2020. I had done my Bachelor of Computer Applications degree in Sri Krishna Swami College for Women. So, and I was the department secretary, and now I am currently doing my Masters in Information Technology. So about our college is that first we really had a great environment, and then our labs infrastructure was really good. And then so our college was mainly focusing on our knowledge. So apart from studies, we had seminars, guest lectures, and then workshops to acquire knowledge in the current IT sector and IT fields. And that was really helpful for us in interacting with the IT professionals and then senior lecturers. Our department was really encouraging us in participating in various intercollegiate competitions. So we had got prizes in top city colleges, especially in programming and then debugging and then paper presentations. So that is all possible with the guidance of our staffs. So and then so as a final year students, our college was really helpful in getting placed. So my friends got placed in top IT companies like Tata Consultancy Services and then many more. So even in Corona pandemic situation, our college has arranged a job fair and then many placement related workshops like job awareness workshops. That was really helpful for us in getting placed. So and then I feel really graceful in studying in such a college. I really thank my management and then our dean Revati ma'am and then our principal Geeta Rani ma'am and then my HOD head of the department P. Amuda ma'am and then our staff. So really thank you for them.
Hi everyone, I am Nityashree, a proud alumni of Sri Krishna Swami College for Women of batch 2017 to 20. I was a student of Accounting and Finance department, which in my opinion was the best. This college provides every kind of motivation and attention a student needs in their life. My department especially was keen on confirming that every student got equal opportunity and encouragement in their studies. Apart from studies, my department also hosted many quizzes on current affairs. They arranged for internship programs and industrial visits, which was helpful for us to gain a practical knowledge of about how a company or factory works. And taking this accounting and finance specialization in BCom was one of the best decisions I have ever made, because now I am pursuing cost and management accounting CMA, which is a professional course. And this accounting and finance specialization gives significance to accounts and finance related subjects, which is indeed really helpful for me to cope up with my professional course, as the syllabus and subjects are more or less similar to what I studied in my final year. Apart from this, the college also arranges for campus interviews, which is really beneficial for students of not only my department but also for various other departments to exhibit their skill and knowledge, and it is helpful in paving a greater way for huge job opportunities. And last but not least, I would like to thank my department teachers and my head of the department for constantly encouraging me and providing me support to achieve greater levels. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.
I'm Arema Vardhani. I did my bachelor's in English literature in SKCW and I belong to the batch 2015 to 2018. Currently, I have completed my master's in English literature from the University of Madras Chepauk campus. So SKCW is a place full of happiness. So whenever I think about the happiest phase in my life, surely SKCW will hold 80 to 90%. The environment was literally like a family. So SKCW to me is a family, guys, because it's not just about my professors or my friends. We all had a connection like we were so friendlier with other departments, other department professors. So it was really like a family, how a family helps each other. So it was like that. And our professors from English department, they not only gave us insight about our academic but also infinite love. And me doing in English literature in Madras University is really possible because of them, because they know what I am and they wanted the best version of me. And during the third year, they said me that, Emma, you would be happy if you do your master's in English literature because that's a great privilege. And achieving it, and it was like a dream for me because I did something for my professors which they asked me. That was a simple thing. Doing masters over there is something which I would be benefited, but they felt happy in that. So that much close your professors would be. They literally think about you guys. They know each kid and they know what's best for them, and they don't push you, but they give it as an suggestion, like you could do this sort of thing. And I would like to thank our then principal Revati ma'am and management, because they always know what's best for the student, and they gave a lot of workshop, conference, theatre workshops, everything. They know what is best at that time, and instead of you going and asking them, ma'am, I think this would be good for us, they would give. So that is something an institution should have. They should know what is the best in the current and what would enable their students and enrich their personality. So that's something so good. And from the bottom of my heart, I thank SKCW. To me, SKCW denotes a culture of excellence, enrichment and empowerment of women. And on behalf of 2015-2018 batch of BA English Literature, I thank our professors, management and principal from our bottom of our heart, and we really feel so happy and proud to be an SKCN. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Hi, this is Akshaya. I have studied BCom CS in our college, Sri Krishna Swami College for Women. Actually, I'm proud to be an Krishna Swamian. This college have taught me a great lesson, and I have learned a lot how to be good, how to respect others, and how to attend an interview, how to be in an interview, how to look at an interview. Each and every point in my life have taught me a lot, and thank you for this opportunity and inviting me for the alumni meet. I thank every teachers, professors, principals, one and all who are all helped for me in my career. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And கிருஷ்ணசுவாமியில் படிச்சுட்டு வெளியில் வரும்போது தான் தெரியும் கிருஷ்ணசுவாமி வந்து எவ்வளோ ஒரு டிசிப்ளின் அண்ட் ஒபீடியன்ட் காலேஜுன்னு. நீங்கள் வெளியில் போய் படிக்கும் போது தான் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். யூ வில் கம்பேர் திஸ் our college and other college. You will gain more knowledge and more discipline and more responsibilities from our college. You can learn a lot, and I have learned a lot, and thank you so much for this life. Thank you so much.
Are safe and healthy. I would like to thank my honorable principal and beloved teachers for giving me this opportunity to speak about the days I spent in my college life. Time flies like an arrow. The days I spent in my college were exactly like this proverb. Unlike its relaxing surroundings, academic life at this college has been filled with learning challenges. Attending college for the first time has been a trying, but it was a great experience for me. This college made me the person who I am today, with bold and confidence. It's the time when I decide my career, the way in which I have grown up, matured, and found out who really I am. Is something that I couldn't accomplish without going to college. The feeling of being homesick, the loneliness of not knowing anyone, the pressure of playing in the ground, living with someone I have never met before, are just some of the struggles of being at college for the first time. My first year in this college was flooded with assignments, presentations, papers, and exams, and also quizzes. However, with the guidance from enthusiastic teachers and all the efforts made by me were rewarded at last. One of the most interesting stages in life that gives you an opportunity to explore is the college stage. In this college, I have not only got the boost for studies, but also for other curricular activities as well. My days at this college are precious memories of fun, activity, and enjoyment together with studies. I have got infinite love and support from my teachers at every step. They have encouraged me to polish my hidden talents in a number of ways. My college days are unforgettable, and in fact those days are the most happiest and fruitful days in my life. I proudly feel that I cherish every moment of my college. My experience in Sri Krishna Swami College for Women were just amazing. My teachers made me to work hard for the way to success. Missing those days of Sri Krishna Swami College for Women, I would like to thank my teachers and wonderful faculty of Sri Krishna Swami College for Women, showing much love and support. Thank you all.
Hey guys, I hope that you all are well and safe from Corona. So I'm Ankita here from SKCW, who wanted to share the best experience of our college, and it was the best experience that I experienced here. I would love to share my experience because it was really a tremendous change of my life. I wanted to share that our college principal, that is our dean, Dr. Revati ma'am, who supported me for everything. Because when a teacher supports you, when a professor or a teacher or a guru, any language that you say, when a guru always supports you, that's when I think a student can shine in their life. And this is how I'm shining in my life, and it's all their blessings. My professors and my college dean, and this is how I'm here to support them and also support the college by sharing few experiences of mine. I wanted to study in MOP college, where it was very difficult to get in because of the merits. And I was not a merit person, let me tell you that, guys. I was a person basically who was active with all the other curriculum activities like dancing, singing, and etc. I was not that good in studies, but you know what? No professors would tell that, no college dean would say that you just got to pass and you just got to prove yourself that you can do it. And that's when I got that confidence in my life to do and prove it. And an attitude where we should never give up, right? So it was the best experience that I remember about my college was when I wanted to give up on my studies, saying that, really thinking that I wasn't the one and studies is not the cup of my tea. But in spite of my arrears, all my professors and all my gurus there who always supported me in all the aspect, and today I'm here as an IELTS trainer. So I would really suggest you all to never give up in your life, no matter how dumb or how that you feel yourself, but actually we are in, because God is very kind to us, and He's always blessed us with something that always can support us in our life and become a big person. Thank you very much.
Thank you, dear alumni. I now request Ms. Darine Smiley of BCom ANF department to deliver the vote of thanks.
No event can happen without the contribution of a vast network of people It's a great honor to propose vote of thanks to all those who have helped us in making this program a success. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this memorable day. Respected management members, Dean Dr. R. Revati, Principal Dr. R. Geeta Rani, faculty members, and today's special invitees, our alumni. On behalf of Sri Krishna Swami College for Women, I would like to thank our alumni for adorning their necessary work and sharing with us graceful memories. It is because of you this virtual event was possible. At this juncture, I also thank our management members, Dean Dr. R. Revati, Principal Dr. R. Geeta Rani, who always encourage us to reach higher standards. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues. Once again, I want to state that we are all most grateful to all alumni for sharing their wonderful experiences. We thank you for being with us and making this program fruitful. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. We now request all the alumni to fill up the feedback form. The link of the Google form is given in the description box below. Thank you.